Well, we haven't seen that one in a while. Running up in the morning and then down all day. Kind of crazy. I think that's market makers. I think market makers are trying to shake retail out of shares. It won't surprise me if buyers and shorts are fighting at 3 again Friday for this. They knocked it down quite a bit. What was the high? 338 or something like that? Crazy. It's got to hold above that 326. Yeah, 320, 326. Just can't seem to stay above that. Shorts don't want it above 326. That's all there is to it. I mean, once it gets above there, it's just pounding on it. But interesting though, because like I was saying with retail, if you were selling after it crosses that VWAP and then shorting it, and then you're covering, and that's what's bringing it up at the end of the day. So now they run it up in the morning, you're not able to grab those shares right away. So it's like market makers are changing it around a little bit, trying to trap shorts and get retail to sell off or get them out of it. I don't know. Without a doubt, I think they're going to try to push it back down to 3. But it all depends on what market makers have what, where are they in on, and where they want it to go. We need to have more market makers fighting on the price and then have, a lot of this. I was watching the price movement a little bit today and stuff, and, a lot of this is probably retail flipping shares. Like I say, riding it up and then shorting it after it crosses the VWAP. Because even saw the volume was really low this morning when that was up. I think it was 3 million or something. It was already at 338. So it's interesting. It's definitely getting a little crazy on the movement. But this might go down to 3. I hope not. I hope it runs up again tomorrow morning and you're fighting for 350 on Friday. That'd be nice. But if you look at the 4-hour, the hour, 4-hour, it all looks like it's going to come down to 3. Oh, who's to say, though? We don't know what the market makers want to do with it. Look at the day. The day looks like it could come down again, too. So it'd be fighting for 3 again. I'll have to wait and see what happens the rest of the week. But without a doubt, I mean, eventually it's going to have to break. But they're just, wow. This is crazy how long they've been just messing with this. I did see on FinViz that supposedly the short interest is down. I don't believe it. I think they just messed with the numbers. I really do. Let's see, what do they have? $49.669. It was at 51 something for short interest. It was up around 19. Now it's at 17.67%. I don't believe it. I think they're just messing with numbers. You know that, I think this, I saw on, I think Webull, it was like as of, these numbers came out like the 16th or something of this month. So, you know, that could be one day. One day they cover 2 million shorts, and then the next day they short it right back to, you know, 50 some million. So we'll have to wait and see. This is definitely going to take a huge bounce, though. We'll wait and see what happens with Friday. So maybe we'll see what happens tomorrow, and maybe I'll do another video tomorrow if we get some movement or if it holds at 3 or something. We'll see you in the next one.